Cortek Test Solutions provides high-quality test fixture kits as well as custom test fixtures for all electronics industries. Our test fixture kits provide cost-effective solutions for printed circuit board testing and other devices under test. CTS products are adaptable and scalable in size to accommodate the customer's applications when standard sizes and configurations won't meet the requirement. This makes the job of design and test engineers much easier. Cortek's mechanical test fixtures come in two different configurations: traditional clamshell and our Z-axis, which has linear engagement. The clamshell kits come in 5 standard sizes and the Z-axis comes in 4 standard sizes, both versions maximizing the usable test area. Visit our website to see all the standard features and options and view a clamshell versus Z-axis comparison so you can select the appropriate kit for your application. You can also submit a request for quote for a custom test fixture.